Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to use filters in Photoshop. So as you can see, this is the image that we are going to work on today. So to add filters, go to the filter toolbar over here and you get this lot of options. We have 3D, blur, blur gallery, distort, noise, etc, etc. But we are going to use the filter gallery in this particular tutorial. So go to filter gallery, and once you go to filter gallery you might want to zoom out a bit. So this is our image, and as you can see, a effect has already been applied to our image, so we can always choose a different effect. We have artistic, we have brush strokes, we have distort, sketch, stylize, or texture. So we have a lot of options to choose from. So if we start with this one, film grain. So this is the effect, and we get the controls over here, like we get grain controls, how much grainy we want our image to be, or maybe we can set the highlight area. So only the subject is highlighted, the background is kind of like vanished because of the highlights. And this is the intensity of the filter that is applied. So we can reduce or increase the intensity according to our requirements. Then if we go to sketch and go to this base relief, so as you can see in this image, we have used a sketch. You must be wondering, sketch is like black and white. How does it appear to be bricky in color? Like the color is brick red. Why is that so? So let's check that out. First, this is the effect of the filter, and we get the sliders over here to make some changes in the filter. So we can maybe use the details. So details are at highest right now. We can reduce the details. So it looks like this. I like this, by the way. And smoothness, we have 1, which is less smooth, to 15, that is too smooth. So let's keep it around 1. I want it to be sharp, so this is the thing. And then we have the light settings as well. We can keep the light from bottom and from left or from the top. So whatever works the best for you, you can just select one. So I'll just select top left. So this is the top left lighting, and then we click on OK. So as I told you, we get this brick color. It's because we have this component colors as black and this brick color. And we can always change that color and reset it to black and white using this small icon over here. So once I tap it over here, you can see the maroon, the brick color has gone and now it's white. So the component colors are black in the foreground and white in the background. But as you can see, the image didn't change, and it won't ever change if even if I just redo it, like if I undo and redo it. So for that we'll have to go to filter, and instead of doing this destructive editing, we are going to do a smart thing, that is convert to smart filters. So if we click on OK, as you can see, the image has been converted into a smart layer, and we get this smart layer thumbnail, the smart object thumbnail over here as well. So what it does is go to filter and go to filter gallery. See, this is the black and white. Just as we change the effect, just as we change the colors, the color in the effect has also changed. We can also use this different effects called chalk and charcoal. Okay, that's a good filter. So we can always just change this. We can do settings from this sliders. So this is charcoal area. This is kind of like, dusty and retro kind of filter. I personally liked it very much. This is the chalk area, and this is the stroke pressure. So if we increase the stroke pressure, the image becomes quite darker and quite grainy. I don't want a grainy and a dark image. I want a blunt image. because this filter looks like kind of retro and old fashioned. I personally like this filter, so click on OK. And as you can see, the filter has been applied to this image. And the new thing is that the filter additions are added over here in a form of separate layers, just as we use during FX. So if we add drop shadows, bevel and emboss, or maybe gradient, such sort of layers are obtained during that. So we can just select one of these, maybe double tap and then again change it. So we get an option to change this. I don't want to change it now. We can always just drag it and take it to the dustbin. So the effect won't get deleted. The original image will be there and just the filter that we didn't want got deleted. So well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe to 52 Pixels and tap on the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.